Welcome back to The Current Side. Today, we're diving into a topic that's revolutionizing the world faster than we could have ever imagined. A topic that's not only reshaping industries, but is also creeping into every part of your daily routine. It's the silent force behind your smartphone, your car, and even your morning routine. That's right. We're talking about artificial intelligence, a technology that's so pervasive, you might not even realize how much it's already affecting your life. But here's the twist. AI is not just a convenience, it's a force of change that could either be your best friend or your greatest threat. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is artificial intelligence? You may think of it as robots, supercomputers, or futuristic tech from a sci-fi movie, but AI is so much more than that. It's everywhere. AI is essentially a system that mimics human intelligence, learning from experience, adapting to new inputs, and even making decisions. But here's the key difference. It does this without needing human intervention. These systems are powered by vast amounts of data and sophisticated algorithms, enabling them to become smarter over time. Think of it as a supercharged brain that never stops evolving, and unlike us, AI doesn't need rest. But AI isn't just a passive observer, it's an active participant in your daily life. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, AI is influencing your choices, shaping your experiences, and even anticipating your needs. It's not just a tool, it's a decision maker. But is it a decision maker we can trust? Now let's zoom in on the real ways AI is infiltrating your life. Let's start with your morning. Your day probably begins with an alarm, right? But here's the thing. If you're using a smart alarm, it's not just waking you up. It's optimizing your wake-up time based on factors like traffic, weather, and your sleep patterns. Sounds convenient, but think about this. AI is already making decisions for you before you even open your eyes. And what about that personalized news feed on your phone? AI algorithms are sifting through millions of articles, posts, and updates to show you exactly what it thinks you want to see. But here's the catch. What if the information you're being fed isn't entirely neutral? AI is designed to keep you engaged, sometimes at the cost of showing you content that reinforces your existing beliefs. It's not just a coincidence that you keep seeing the same kinds of articles. It's the AI shaping your worldview. Then there's social media. Every time you scroll through Instagram or watch a video on YouTube, AI is working behind the scenes, analyzing your behavior to keep you glued to the screen. Ever wonder why your favorite content keeps popping up? Or how Instagram seems to know what you'll double tap next? That's AI at work, feeding off your preferences, interactions, and even the time you spend looking at a picture. But AI doesn't stop there. If you're using a voice assistant like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant, you're interacting with an AI that's constantly learning from your requests. These assistants are not just executing simple commands anymore. They're getting better at understanding the nuances of human speech, learning your habits, and predicting what you'll need next. But here's the unsettling part. They're also collecting data on everything you ask them. Your preferences, routines, and even your voice patterns are being stored. Is it worth the convenience? Now, let's talk about how AI is revolutionizing industries you wouldn't expect. Take healthcare, for example. In hospitals, AI systems are analyzing patient data faster and more accurately than ever before. AI can predict disease outbreaks, analyze medical images, and even assist in surgeries. Sounds like a game changer, right? But there's another side to this story. As AI takes on more medical roles, we might find ourselves relying more on machines than on human doctors. What happens when the machine makes an error? Can we really trust AI with life and death decisions? In education, AI is shaping the future of learning. Personalized learning systems use AI to adapt lessons to each student's needs. They track progress, suggest areas for improvement, and even grade assignments. This sounds like the perfect solution to education gaps. But think about it. As AI starts to dictate what students learn and how they learn, are we losing the human element of teaching? What happens when learning becomes a one-size-fits-all algorithm? Let's shift gears to one of the most exciting yet terrifying applications of AI, self-driving cars. AI-powered vehicles are not just a futuristic concept, they're already on the roads. These cars can navigate through traffic, adapt to changing road conditions, and even avoid accidents by making split-second decisions. But here's the question. Are we really ready to hand over control of our safety to an AI that learns from trial and error? What happens when that error costs lives? In the workplace, AI is causing both excitement and anxiety. Automation is replacing repetitive tasks, from customer service chatbots to advanced AI that can analyze data in seconds. While this boosts productivity, it also raises a serious question. What happens to the jobs AI replaces? Entire industries are being transformed, with roles once held by humans now being automated. Could this be the beginning of widespread job displacement? Or will AI create new opportunities we can't yet foresee? In entertainment, AI is mastering the art of keeping us hooked. Whether it's Netflix suggesting your next binge watch or Spotify curating your perfect playlist, AI is learning your preferences and adapting content just for you. But ask yourself this, are you choosing what to watch, or is AI choosing for you? Is it harmless fun, or are we losing control of our own preferences? In shopping, AI is predicting what you want before you even know it yourself. From personalized ads to automated customer service, AI is embedded in every aspect of the online shopping experience. It knows what you've bought, what you're thinking of buying, and even what you might buy next. Is it helpful, or are we becoming puppets in an AI-driven marketplace? Finally, let's talk about the future. The potential of AI is boundless. It could solve some of humanity's greatest challenges, curing diseases, tackling climate change, even exploring space. But the power of AI is also a double-edged sword. As we give machines more control, are we losing the ability to make our own decisions? Will AI serve us, or will we end up serving AI? What's your take on AI? Is it the future we've always dreamed of, or are we heading towards a dystopia where machines rule? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want to stay ahead of the curve on how technology is shaping your world, make sure to subscribe to The Current Side. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.